Hi, my name is Brijesh. I come from E-Store Factory Pvt. We are an Amazon enlisted service provider. Today we are here to recruit data analysts. We are looking for pseudo technologists, people who are looking to grow their career in data analysis and data mining. I have found the event to be very enriching. Very happy to see that an event like this is organized in Ahmedabad. So many congratulations to Tops Technologies and an even bigger congratulations to all the students of Tops Technologies. I think if an organization is giving an opportunity like this to you to be exposed to hirers, to recruiters and companies that are out there working in business, then it's a wonderful place to be. So very nicely organized. We are getting an excellent influx of students. We are getting good talent coming our way. Seems like we should be able to close at least 4 or 5 positions today, thanks to this job fest, Tops Technologies.